I was reading some comments and someone typed that I'm leaving YouTube. Oh, come on guys. I just say bye to my trains, my custom trains. I'm not leaving YouTube. I just started. Why should I leave? I mean, we have a lot of trains to fix, restore, and we have a lot of reviews. No, you have no idea. I have so many projects, like 100 projects maybe. I have a lot of trains to make, so I'm not leaving. No. Do not assume only because I put bye-bye to my custom trains that I sold, that doesn't mean I'm leaving. I just say goodbye to my trains, and I'm pretty sure someone will love those trains very much. So anyways, I'm still uploading a lot of videos. Things I'm very busy. I'm very busy. As you can see right now, I'm preparing some engines for sale. You know, I'm not doing just one train, one engine, one model train. You know that I made a lot, but maybe I'm going to reduce the quantity that I make, because now that I'm being paid by YouTube and I'm making a living, I'm not gonna quit. YouTube is better for me than eBay. So if I'm selling on eBay, it's because some people want to buy my engines. That's the only reason. And besides that, I get more trains. So anyways, my wife is another restorer. She restores and fixes a lot of engines too. It's not only me. And she's gonna be in charge of eBay, and I will be on YouTube, mostly on YouTube. So I hope you guys understand that I'm extremely busy. I have a secondary channel that's in Spanish for Latin America, and I'll be here for a long time. And well, this is just an announcement. Thanks for watching. Over and out.